Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make beef stew. And welcome to my channel. This is with me today, and I'm going to show you the ingredients right now. Okay, we're going to use 8 carrots, 7 potatoes, a bunch cilantro, and 2 green tomato, and 5 red tomato, 1 or half bell pepper, and half onions, and then green beans, and the meat. The meat we're going to cut cubes, and then all of the tomato and onions, bell pepper we're going to roast, okay? And so we're going to put in our stew. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, also we need the tortilla, and we need bread, and the leaf, cumin, and sesame seeds. We need that to make our salsa. In all of these we roast, okay? So we're going to start the peel of a green tomato, and we're going to put this in the skillet, okay? So I show after. Okay guys, now you see me roast my tomato and everything, and it looks like this. See, and then just we keep it roast, and I already peeled my vegetables, and I'm going to cut, and then I already cut my meat in cubes. But if you don't want to do that yourself, you just ask the butcher or some meat they sell there on the market. It's already chopped like that. And then also I forgot to tell you we need beef bouillon, like maybe spoon or pinch of the bouillon. And then so right now we want to cook our fat, and then we're going to saute our meat. And then so right now I'm going to chop my vegetables, and I have some water, clean water, hot water to put the potato. That way it helps us to keep our potato white. Okay? So we're going to chop 4 pieces like that. And now we're going to chop our carrots. Just like that. Also, we're going to chop our cilantro too. I like to chop the cilantro, you know, like to chop. And also, I'm going to toast these, the bread and the tortilla, and all of this you see over here. I'm going to toast everything in now I'm going to like saute my meat. I'm not using oil because you know the beef make the own oil, so I'm going to just saute like that, and then we going to use some oil. Like medium heat. See, we're going to use that much. So after the meat change the color, and then we're going to add maybe a half. Maybe I'm going to add like a cup of water. Okay. Okay. A cup of water. I'm going to add this, and right now just we're going to saute the meat, because when you do it like that, it makes more flavor and taste more. I don't know. I like to do that, but make more flavor. And this is how we make homemade stew. I'm going to chop my cilantro right now. So I'm going to add my tortilla over here. So I like to toast my tortilla and bread. If you not have these or you don't like to use that, that's okay. Don't worry. You can use cornstarch to thicken you stew. But for me, I like to use bread and one tortilla, and it's the way I like it. But you can use any, or you can use the cornstarch. See, after this, when the meat hits this color, is when you add the water. See, this is how it looks. And then, so we're going to add the right now I have 1 cup of water over here, but I'm going to put just half, and the other half I'm going to use to blend my my tomato. So now I'm going to leave there to cook more, and after when I look the meat like almost like back cook, and it's when I'm going to add my salsa and the carrots, so that way the tomato or salsa is going to make the flavor, give the flavor for the meat. Okay, after this, and I'm going to show you in a little bit. Okay guys, now I already blend those. We're going to add, we blend everything, like the onions and garlic and the tortilla and everything you see there. I already have it here. So I'm going to add it right now, and that way make the flavor of the meat. And also don't forget stir once, so that way the not won't you stew. And I'm going to add a little more water, or maybe it needs a cup of water. And I'm going to add the carrots right now because I like the carrots really good. All the way like soft, and then probably we leave there the 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we're going to add vegetable. But please don't forget to store. Ahora vamos a agregar la zanahoria y ya agregamos la salsa y después vamos a dejar como 30 minutos y de allí vamos a volver y a checar para agregar los otros ingredientes. Pero no dejen de venir a checar y mover, porque si no lo muevan se les puede quemar. Entonces vamos a dejar así y vamos a dejar fuego medio para que no nos queme. Y ahorita voy a agregar la sal. I'm going to add salt right now, and salt to be like a pinch. Or whatever how much you want. La sal pueden agregar. So we leave right now like that, and after this I'm going to show you when I'm going to add the other vegetables, but don't forget to check and so once. And we're going to leave like medium heat, that way I'm going to use stew. Okay guys, now our meat is almost done cooking, and we're going to add the other vegetables. It's good, just I'm going to add a little more water. And I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. Okay? Now I'm going to leave there till when the meat is soft and ready, and I'm going to show you after that. After right now, I'll leave it there, cook all the vegetables, and I'm going to add the cilantro, and then I'm going to leave there, and then I'm going to turn off the heat, and then put the cilantro, and then cover for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. But I'm going to leave right now just to cook. show you when this is ready. Okay. Okay guys, our food is ready. Now we want to serve ourselves. Ready our food. Okay, here's how it looks. Stew. And así como quedó nuestro guisado naturalmente. You can add rice and just eat like that. Okay. Delicious. Okay. So thank you for watching my video and see you next time. Bye.